got some spatial audio working here in Project ASCII. It's the hand tracking working quite well now. And then we've got some custom material colours on the hands that help them sort of blend into mine. And then here we've got a cube, which is interactable. For some reason this pink cube is making water sounds, so that we get, you can see it on this fader here in Unity. There's the volume curve based on the distance of the headset. And then we've got some custom manipulation events here. So we've got, on starting the manipulation, we can change the pitch. So I'm going to pick this up, it should change its pitch. Wow, what a strange cube making water sounds. Let go, pitch goes back down. And the other thing we've got is so binaural rendering. So if I rotate my head to the right, and to the left, or even just move it across